The site is www.webofknowledge.com. So click it. You will get this window. This is a new Web of Science platform. Okay. So it has document authors and cited references. Suppose you are searching something like financial inclusion. So here you should use the Boolean search options. These programs are built with the help of Boolean search operators or and something. So I'm searching financial inclusion or maybe capital letter. It's fintech. So I'm going to connect financial inclusion and fintech with sustainable development goals. Again, or. So SDG, sustainable. If you search the SDG, you will be biased because SDG, there are a lot of sustainable development goals. If you are focusing on financial inclusion and SDG, you can directly state financial inclusion and sustainable development goals. Am I audible right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here I am using AND. So the word AND means the Web of Science automatically connect the literature, financial inclusion, and sustainable development goals. And SDG. Okay. If you are committing spelling mistakes, it will not work. So this with this search keywords, I am going to search. Here there are options like all fields, topic, title, author, publication title, year published, affiliation, publisher, etc. If you search with all fields, you will get large number of data set, because if the financial inclusion or fintech in anywhere of the manuscript it is using, it will catch up. So it will not be appropriate when you search with all fields, because many of the manuscript, they are using financial inclusion word or fintech or financial inclusion sustainable development is somewhere in the manuscript. So that will create problem, and that you will be biased of the data, and your insights may be biased. So you should be careful about while searching. You can search with the topic. When you search with topic, you will get searches, title, abstract, other keywords, keyword plus, etc. So these words, your search keywords, if the author mentioned in the search keywords in the title, abstract, other keywords, and keyword plus. Keyword plus, the keyword used by the journals. When you try to submit manuscript to the journal, this journal already have some keywords. Your keywords would be matching with the keywords of the journal. So some of the journal, this criteria is not there. Some journals, in many of the journal, they are having keyword plus. So these from this information, is topic, search title, abstract, other keywords, and keyword plus, the the topic search will be captured all this information. So topic search. So I'm going to click the search. Okay. So here I have got 1,122 results from the Web of Science core collection. So these are the papers. So the keywords search, they were highlighted: fintech, financial inclusion, fintech. Okay. So if you want to add more keywords, you can add, because this search is not sufficient for making a good paper. You can add the keywords. Again, you go back to the search and add keywords. You can add any number of keywords for getting, till you getting your best data set for getting the best insights, right? So you can, because I am showing a model, I will show you some model query link. You can also save this query link, copy query link, and you can save it in the system. And again, when you enter the Web of Science, you can paste this same query link, and your final search window will be reached. Okay. So so this is the initial information, initial stage you can reach. And after that, you can filter again. So here, 1,122 data set, work was reflected here. And out of these review articles, 33 early access, 107 open access, 442 work. Out of these 1,122 works. And the publication years, publication years from 1998 to 2021. If you want to filter it, you don't want the old publication years like 1998, 2002, 2004, 2005, 2007, because this year, publication was very less with the keyword you have used, and 2009, 2010, 2011, it's 11 publication. Okay. So we have filtered 2000 till 2010, and you can exclude these years, because these years not highlighted, you can exclude. Sorry, I have committed a mistake. So again, you go back, see all publication years, select all.
Hello.
And yeah.
For logging for this website, we need to log in, or without login also we can use this this
So without,
option.
if your university has subscription of this Web of Science, without login also it will work, because here now I am not at login. Yeah, login is not a matter. So if I log in, I can log in it, right?
Actually, okay. I was trying right now,
so no need to log in, sir. No need to log in.
Actually, it is not allowing us, because once I'm writing this website, Web of Sciences, the first thing it is asking is a login, or you need to have an institution login, or you need to have your personal login.
So if they are asking login, you have to log in it, because now here I am working without login, so I am not signing, right?
Actually, okay. Without subscription, you cannot access it.
Yeah. First of all, you can check whether the university has subscribed this database.
No, if in case it is not so, you can simply register yourself and have a small look, but not, the type of the search that you are getting, that kind we will not get. It need to be subscribed.
Yeah, right. So I will show you. So select the dates. You don't want 2009, 98, 2002, 2004, 2005, 2007, 2008, 2010. So you can refine it. Sorry. So select see all, select all. 2021, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, 14, 13, 12, 2011. So this much data we require. So others we can exclude. Okay. So that's fine. Now the data has been reduced to 1106. Okay. So document type, articles, early access, editorial materials. You want only articles, you can select and you want only articles, click it. Others you can exclude. Early access editorial material. These editorial material, review articles, proceedings papers, book reviews, corrections, that will not help for a better insights. That will be disturbing for us when you do analytics of bibliometrics. So you take only articles. Better thing is take only articles. Others should be excluded. Now the total data has been reduced to 890 results. Okay. So if you want a specific affiliations, you can click accordingly. Here it is University of London has 23 publications. The World Bank has 16 publications. University of California 13 publications. University of Hong Kong 11 publications. If you want to filter based on a specific university work you want, you can do accordingly. If I'm not right now, I'm not interested to do that. And here the publication title is there. The publishers are there. And the funding agencies, if you want to search based on, you can do that. And here the Web of Science categories, it is very important when you collect data. So some of the unnecessary or unwanted category, not unwanted. If Web of Science is a huge index, and they are, getting published all categories. It is not only limited to economics, business, finance, and development studies, etc. So they have science, social science, humanities, etc. So we have to limit our data set based on our own areas. Our own area seems like economics, business, finance, etc. So select all and unclick economics, business, finance, development studies, management. Low sometimes if you get some more insights. Okay. Others you can exclude. So now the data set has been reduced to 404 results. 404 results. So now we have reached some kind of better filtration and better data set, I would say. Okay. So all these things, because if you want to filter again with the publishers, here a lot of publishers, Elsevier, Wiley, Taylor and Francis, Emerald Group, Springer, Oxford. We want to eliminate the minor publishers, but it is a good index. Web of Science, Web of Science only covering the best journals in the world, best publishers in the world. So I think these publishers are relevant. Okay, so it is not good to you eliminate all these papers, because something rightly asked by some participants, some good insight you will get from this from these publishers, these least less number publications. Okay. Okay, am I myself clear? Any doubts with this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So next is very important. So here you have got 404 research from the Web of Science core collection, and here you can go to analyze results. So analyze results. You will get Web of Science categories. So there are a lot of analysis we can do with this window. Publication years. So you will get the publication years. So you will get the data from publication years. And this one can be downloaded and copied. Otherwise, you can copy this data and download this data, and you can paste it in Excel or tab. We can draw beautiful graphs based on that. And so document type, here fully articles, because we have selected only articles. So then Web of Science categories, this is a categories, 188 works from economics, and 81 works from business, 71 from development studies, 114 from business finance, and 53 from management, and 38 from law. Okay. So if you want to download this data, you can download. So you can download in a document. Okay. Create. Can save. Okay. So data would be saved, and you can copy this data. You can copy this data, and it can be pasted in the Excel. Can be pasted in the Excel. So you will get and also authors. So here these are the main prominent authors, and out of these, Buckley RP has four publications from your keywords, and Clapper has 4 publications. Bond Gobin has 3 publications. If you want to see these papers, you can just click it. These papers will come up. Okay, these are the papers of that author. Sustainability, fintech, and financial inclusion, because Buckley RP is the author, and these are the papers. Okay, 4 papers. If you want to export these papers, you can export. If you click it, this directly go to the journal site, and this is a journal, European Business Organization and Law Review. Okay, so you want to download this paper, full text at publisher, you can click it. Okay, so you can download it. You can download it. Okay. So this is analytics of Web of Science. Whatever keyword you used, you can do this kind of analytics. Publication titles, you can do that. These are the publication titles. Means journal name. World Development has 17 publications. International Journal of Bank Marketing, Finance, Research Letters, Applied Economics, European Business Organization Law, Journal of International Development, European Journal of Finance. So you can see these papers also, because if you want to specifically interested in to read these 17 papers published by World Development, you can click it. So these papers, okay. So you can download these papers and read, or you can add this RIS format of this paper, and directly will be added to the Manly platform. So you can download this RIS format and records from 1 to 16. Okay, so the full record you want, and export. So ATAL workshop or something. So I'm saving this one. Okay. Yes. Save. So you can take these files fundamentally. So manually desktop. Okay, you can create a folder name. So new folder. So RIS file or something. Enter it, and you can add these files. So ATAL workshop files. So these papers reached in a monthly. You can see this abstract here. So you can cite all these papers if you want, and after reading these files. Okay. So make sense out of this? So can you make sense out of this?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Sir. Yes.
Okay. So you can read all these files. You can cite if you want, and you can sync with the Microsoft Office Word, and you can do cite all these things. Okay. So next, because we have back to search result 404 works, and if you want citation report, you can click the citation, full citation report, you will get it. And this is a citation report from 2011, because we have excluded all the data set of till 2010. So 2011 to 2021, and you will get the citation. This is the most cited document, financial inclusion and development. And you know, total citation 181, and the foundations of financial. You can make a table out of this from this data and be included in the manuscript. Okay. So I will show you a standard paper which was published in European Journal of Finance, and you will get better insights after explaining things with the help of that paper, and how to make the manuscript based on this bibliometric analysis. I will do it in the next section. Okay. The citation also, you can save that. You can save the citation. Export full report. If you click the export full report, this full records, you can save it in Excel or text file. Okay. Then the next important thing, this is the thing, this is very important, next step. So here we are exporting the data. This is a stage in which we can stop and starting exporting of data. So export data, we can export data in different file format, plain text file. So if you're using RStudio and VOSviewer, you can save it on plain text file. VOSviewer will work in RIS also. And you can also save in Excel format. Okay, so it is better to save if you wanted to use RStudio or VOSviewer, it is better to save in plain text file. So plain text file records from, because the thing is 1 to 1000 document only we can save at a time. If your keyword search resulted 2000 data, then you can save and paste it in the plain text. First you save 1 to 1000, and the next 1001 to 2000, and save it in the text file. Okay, that club, the text file can be uploaded to the software. Clear? Okay, then 1 to 404. 404 and full record. It should be exported. Full data. So format is text format, and it's saved. This is the data. you were exported. So this file will be uploaded to the software for analysis. I will show you the next session about the analysis of this data set. Okay, this is the data you saved. Can you see my screen? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the data set. And I would say you can, if you want to save this query link, because if you close the system, it will go from the system, and again retaking is very difficult. So that when you close the system, you can save this query link and copy it in, paste it in somewhere else, and take it from the next. So I am copying this query link and paste it in the Word document. So I'm paste it here. Okay. So this query link can be copied, and again I am opening another window and paste it in this URL. The same page will come up. Okay, the 404 results from the above sense. So you can do further analysis from this stage. Okay, hope you have got some insights from this session for the Web of Science. You can do all these, I mean, extra things from this very good platform, and you can take all the insights from the funding information, from the authors' details, authors' papers, most prominent authors, everything you will get it from this website, Web of Science. Okay, so time right now 11:20. We will have a break for 10 to 15 minutes. We will come back 11:40, right? 11:40.
Sir, the feedback
Yeah.
form.
Feedback form will be shared. Yeah, we will be shared. Next class, next session, we will demonstrate with the VOSviewer and R Studio about this analysis of this bibliometric data that has been saved. Okay, any questions right now? You can ask me, because 2-3 minutes we can use for that.
Sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Since we are using only this Web of Science, can we use this particular data collected from Web of Science, and if at all we are preparing a manuscript and submit it to the Scopus, will there be any conflict of interest or anything?
So we are not submitting papers to Scopus, sir. We are submitting papers to journals, not Scopus. Scopus is an index. Scopus is an index.
Journals
Yeah.
which are indexed with Scopus. Will they
no problem. See, understand.
Okay.
The main very good journals, ABDC index, or the main index journals are indexed in these two indices. So that I said it's duplicating
Yes,
effect when
yes.
you download data from both platforms. No need to worry about that. No need to worry about that. No problem.
Since it is authentic, they'll be accepting.
This is authentic, sir. We are downloading data
Yes, sir.
from
Yes, sir.
Science. It's a major top level index in the world.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. It was very nice, sir, actually. Thank
Any
you, sir.
questions? Okay. Welcome, sir. Next session, because you should need, means you should learn, because it is need of the era, because every journal now you are they are interesting to publish a paper based on the bibliometrics, because they are giving good insights about the past work published. So they are also interested.
Sir,
The editor
excuse
is
me,
also
sir.
interested. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. One question.
Yes,
Sir,
madam.
like right now I'm doing my PhD.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now I'm doing my PhD. So most of the papers related to my area of work, I'm taking it from Google Scholar. So we don't have access to Web of Science. Now,
So
as
when
you
you
said, in Web of
download
Science, you
data
get
from
all
Google
the
Scholar,
relevant and
yeah,
the papers
Google
I'm
Scholar,
taking
the
from Google
problem is
Scholar.
unindexed. So you have a filtration from the Google Scholar. So it is not good when you collect all the data from the Google Scholar.
Sir, to
Just
overcome
cross-check
that problem,
whether the papers are.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Your voice breaking. Yeah. It's my voice is breaking or
yeah,
your voice
sir.
is breaking. I don't know.
I'm able to hear you,
Yeah,
sir.
tell me,
Maybe
tell me.
mine is, I don't.
Uh,
Yeah, sir.
yeah,
So
I can
when
hear you.
I'm
Tell
taking,
me.
I don't have access to, yeah, I don't have access to Web of Science. So if I want to get hold of good papers from good authors and good journals, so when I go to Google Scholar, should I go to the publisher like from where Elsevier or Springer or whatever? Like, is it from a good publisher? Should I
That's
do
wonderful.
like which journal
That's
it is?
wonderful. That's the only
Should I do
one
it like
solution.
that, sir? That's what.
Yeah, sure, definitely. You should check the publisher. You should check the
Okay.
publisher as well as
Okay,
the
sir.
journal, and you can go to the journal website whether
Okay.
the journal is interested in Web of Science and Scopus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you can
Thank
check and what are the works of the other
Mm.
works of author. The author is good. You can check the H index of that author. And one more, the great important thing, you can check the citation of that particular paper in Google Scholar. Google Scholar, the data is available.
Okay.
Total number of citations.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Mm. So even though we don't have access to Web of Science, we can
Yeah,
do it in
it's
this way.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, shall we have a break right now? 11, right now 11:28, 24. Okay. So 15 minutes break. The meeting is open, and we will come back. We will be rejoining. I mean, not rejoining. The meeting is open. We can stay back. We will back 11:40. I think is better. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.